Deciphering Read On, dive deep into the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode on English language learning. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, read on. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of this common expression and how to use it in your daily conversations. Let's dive in. Read on can be broken down into two words, read and on. The word read refers to the action of looking at and comprehending the meaning of written or printed matter. The word on, in this context, indicates continuation or progression. When combined, read on essentially means to continue reading. It's often used when there's more information to come in a text or story. Example: after the cliffhanger in the novel, the reader was eager to read on and find out what happens next. Though read on is commonly found in written texts, it can also be used in verbal communication. When speaking, it can serve as a way to encourage someone to keep listening to what you have to say. For instance, if you're telling a friend a story and you notice they're getting intrigued, you might say, "Oh, it gets even better. Read on," even if they aren't literally reading. It's a figurative way of saying, keep paying attention, there's more to come. Read on isn't the only phrase that encourages continuation. Here are some similar expressions. 1. Carry on reading. This is another way of saying, continue reading. It's more common in British English. 2. Keep going. This can refer to any action, not just reading. It's a general encouragement to proceed. 3. Continue on, a bit redundant, but sometimes used for emphasis. Remember, the context in which you use these phrases is essential. While read on is primarily about continuing to read, keep going could apply to running a marathon, working on a challenging problem, or any number of activities. And there you have it. The phrase, read on, is a simple yet impactful way of encouraging someone to continue with their reading or to pay attention to the unfolding details of a story. We hope this video sheds light on its meaning and usage. Remember, language is all about context, so always pay attention to how words and phrases are used around you. Happy learning, and until next time.